Guys, have you ever had a solid AI product idea, but felt overwhelmed by all the technical setup that comes with it? Model deployment, API configuration, extra usage fees, and suddenly the whole thing feels way more complicated than it should be. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to deploy OpenClaw directly in the cloud in just one click. No API setup, no infrastructure, no extra configuration. In this video, we'll deploy our own agent, analyze viral tech trends, generate a product idea, create branding for it, and even produce technical documentation, all inside one ecosystem. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's jump right in. So, friends, what exactly is this tool? Minimax agent with MaxClaw mode is a cloud-based environment that allows you to fully deploy and run OpenClaw without model setup, without API configuration, and without extra API costs. Everything is already built in: web search, data extraction, image and video generation, coding tools, and access to over 10,000 pre-trained expert agents. The idea is simple, guys. You focus on results, not infrastructure. MaxClaw handles the technical side in the background, while you interact with it through a clean chat interface, available on web, desktop, mobile, and even inside messengers like Telegram or Slack. Now, folks, let's start. Right after pressing the Start Now button, we land in the configuration menu. Here, the system asks us to choose the specialization of our future assistant. These are ready-made presets already configured for specific tasks. For example, ImageCraft is ideal for generating graphics. Visual Lab is designed for professional video workflows. Since our goal today is to find a profitable idea and implement it, we'll focus on analytical tools. We have Trend Intel, which tracks viral trends across social media, and Topic Tracker, which performs deep research around key topics. At the bottom, you'll notice the Advanced section. If you're planning to build software or complex applications, this is where you can activate the coding plan. For now, we select Trend Intel to search for an idea and click I'm ready to deploy our personal cloud agent. The deployment takes only a few seconds. And here we are inside, mates. As you can see, there's no code, no terminal, no complicated dashboards, just a clean chat interface. You can start immediately by typing your first message at the bottom. There's also a note showing that Minimax allows you to sync your experience with your favorite apps. You can connect Telegram or Slack, so your agents work 24/7 in the cloud, while you receive reports directly in your messenger. That means you can launch tasks from anywhere and stay in control wherever you are. Start anywhere, review everywhere. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but it helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now, folks, let's activate our expert. We'll ask it to analyze viral technology trends and suggest a niche product idea with high potential. This is where the promised no API setup becomes real. You're simply talking to a powerful AI as if it were your colleague. MaxClaw takes care of everything behind the scenes: web search, data extraction, and complex calculations. We click Send and wait. Right now, the agent is scanning the global information space to deliver the freshest data. And mates, here's the result. In less than a minute, the agent analyzed the market and produced a structured report. We see the hottest trends, autonomous agents, and generative video. But the most valuable part is the specific recommendation. The expert suggests creating Budget Buddy, an intelligent personal finance assistant for young people. Why is this strong? First, low development cost. Second, high viral potential on social media. The agent even calculated a monetization model from a free tier to a premium subscription at $9 per month. That's the real power of MaxClaw, folks. Instead of spending hours on manual research, you receive a ready-made business case based on real-time web data. Now let's open the Files tab, because this is what makes MaxClaw stand out. While we were chatting, the assistant automatically created the project structure. Here you'll find documentation, agent descriptions, and tool configurations. All files are stored in the cloud and synchronized in real time. Mates, you can start development here, then open the same project in the desktop app, or continue from your smartphone using the Minimax Agent mobile app. no copying text, no emailing files to yourself. Everything stays synced. This is a true multi-device workflow. Now let's make the project visual. MaxClaw isn't just about text. It includes a full-stack toolkit, image and video generation, web extraction, visual search, and deployment tools, all built in and ready to use, with zero additional API costs. Guys will ask it to create a logo using the built-in image generator. We type a request for a minimalist logo in green and blue tones. You don't need separate subscriptions to external services. Everything is included inside the workspace. Within seconds, we receive a visual concept. As you can see, guys, the logo matches our request and is saved directly in the workspace. We can generate more variations if needed. But to turn this idea into a real product, we need technical documentation. Inside the Minimax library, there are more than 10,000 pre-trained experts, including Viral Hunter, Trend Tracker, and the multi-agent research team. Mates, we select the multi-agent research team and assign the task. Create a detailed technical requirements document for developers. This saves days, sometimes weeks of planning. The agents work in parallel. One analyzes competitors, another outlines the technical architecture, and we receive a professional-level PAD document with structured recommendations, without paying extra API fees or configuring models manually. Everything works out of the box. So friends, MaxClaw gives you one-click deployment of OpenClaw, access to 10,000 plus expert agents, built-in media and research tools, real-time cloud synchronization, and 24/7 task execution, all inside a single ecosystem. It costs $19 to fully deploy and run OpenClaw, with no additional API fees required. You also get 200 free credits daily just for logging in, plus cross-platform Minimax agent membership. If you have been looking for a way to build AI-powered products without getting stuck in technical complexity, this is definitely worth trying. If you're excited to try it out, or have already used it, and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.